Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make a WhatsApp business account. Alright, let's begin. First, open the App Store on your device. If you're using an Android phone, open the Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. In the search bar, type WhatsApp Business and locate the app in the search results. Once you find it, tap Install or Get and wait for the app to download and install. After installation, open WhatsApp Business. You will see an introduction screen. Tap Agree and Continue. Next, register your phone number. By default, the app may show your primary number, but if you prefer a different number for business, tap Use a different number and enter it. Using a separate number helps keep personal and business communications distinct. Tap Continue, then grant permissions for contacts and media access. The app will verify your number. If you have a backup, you may see an option to restore your chat history. Now, set up your business profile. Enter your business name, then choose a category that best describes what you offer, such as apparel, automotive, or health services. Next, add a profile picture that represents your business by tapping the photo icon and selecting an image from your gallery. Finally, add a business description and your business address if you operate from a physical location. So that's basically how you can make a WhatsApp business account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.